you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Tuesdays in the Attic. I'm still trying to work through this heck of a huge kit that I got from Mercy Tiara. The first one she ever put out. Was it Feeling Groovy? I feel like something like that. There's a lot of fun papers in this, and there's just a lot. So we're going to keep trucking at it. I'm going to use this again to create another lovely Freaky Fast formula layout for Tuesdays in the Attic. This one comes from October of 2017. So we need a 6.5 by 7, a 2.5 by 10.5, a half by 11.5, 3/4 by 12, a 1.5, or 1/2, so a half by 4.5, a 4-inch circle and a 3-inch circle. And I've got two cute photos of my son. What birthday would this be? His second birthday. Really? Second birthday, we took him to the Children's Museum, and he is just climbing around having a ball. So I thought the circles would be kind of fun because we could cut these in circles as well. So I'm just going to get to cutting, and I have this stencil I got from Scrapping Reflections not too long ago as well. It was just kind of sitting in here, and I thought maybe this would be kind of fun to create with you. So I'm going to start cutting, see where I go from there, and then maybe we'll incorporate the stencil as well. I think that's my goal. So let's get started. Okay, so I've cut all my papers. Now I'm trying to find the rest of my kit so I can get the leaves, or the letters, I mean. What the heck? Where did I put it? Anyway, I'll have to find that in a second. But I've cut my paper. So this is my 6.5 by 7, my 2.5 by 10.5, my half by 11, my 3/4 by 12, and then my half by 4.5 is this piece. And then I did a 4-inch circle, a 3-inch circle. I did my photos in circles and distressed the edges of those because they cut really weird for some reason. So this is kind of how I'm thinking about arranging this page. I wanted to use up these buildings. I thought about using them on a recent trip with my sisters, but I'm going to be doing that traveler's notebook size, so I would have to fold them or cut them up anyway, and we're at a museum in town, so it works. It's still an adventure thing. So I just kind of pulled some ephemera out that I wanted. So this stripe is on the back of this paper. I didn't have a full 12-inch long of this green paper, so I had cut up the other one, just attached it, and then used my 3/4, just a white piece of 3/4 by 12, which is part of the cuts, to kind of make a full page. And I really like that look that it gives. And then I enjoy the composition I've got going on. So we're going to just start gluing things down. I don't think I'm going to use the stencil because I think I'm going to use the stencil on the next Tuesdays in the Attic that I'm missing for you guys, because I had a really good idea when I also was kind of prepping for that page. Yes, I'm doing multiple pages at once because I am behind. So that's why that happens. And this is a branding strip, and branding strips are always 1/2 inch, which is always nice. And then we can, I have had way too much caffeine today or something. I am shaking like nobody's business. Not enough calories, something. But I plan on doing birthday adventure, or even say B-Day adventure. I have to see. I might have a sticker, or I was thinking even, I have plenty of stamps that say birthday. So I was thinking about stamping birthday. But I just gotta find where I put the rest of my kit, because I actually almost killed it too. So I'm going to post on Mercy Tiara's page all my pages that I've completed using their Feeling Groovy kit. I think I'm gonna pop this up. Wasn't sure what to do with this little 4.5 by 1/2 strip. So I figured it would be a good little shelf for maybe part of the title or something. Those actually other letters might be too big anyway, so maybe I will leave them off, because I was going to use the gold thickers that were in the kit, but I think they'll be too big for what I want. So let's... Okay, I'm gonna go find some stamps to do my birthday adventure right here, or even like little thickers. We'll see. I could do... I don't know if I have enough. I have all these little black stickers. I definitely don't have... I could do 2015 and those maybe. And let's see, AD V E N. Do I have any N's? That was a big thing. I don't think I have any N's. No N's. So can't spell adventure. So not these. But I could do the year in these. So let's do that actually real quick. I'm gonna go find some stamps or thickers or something that say birthday. I know I've got a lot of things, so let me go look for those and I'll be back. All right, so I dug through my stash. I found, while I was looking for stickers, I found this little love sticker, so I grabbed that. And then I found some wood veneer in a birthday set from Colorcast Designs. Some stars, so I grabbed that. And then I had this one giant gorgeous, it's relatively new, I think I just got it in July, Scripty white adventure. So then I stamped birthday. It's just a birthday set I have. I can't remember what it's called or who it's by. It's this set though. It's just birthday wishes, and then it says boy, girl, yeah, hooray. There's tons of different things. So that is that stamp set. So we got that. So I can put that away. And then, yeah, like I said, I grabbed some more wood veneer. I've got this piece that says today's stories that we're gonna stick right here on the camera. I will journal a little bit right here, so that works perfect. And then I wanted a few more stars, so I grabbed, this is another Colorcast Designs wood veneer set. I also grabbed these Spiegel Mom Scraps Rustic Stars wood stars, so we'll see if any of those float our boat, or if there's anything. So these are like enjoying this so much, loving this. I might just add this loving this there. These are not very small. Kind of want some smaller stars. So I might ditch these and do sprinkle in those smaller ones. Or let me look, do I have some colored stars? So instead of doing wood veneer, I have these tiny stars from Shadney's shop. That I could do maybe in what color? Maybe this peachy orange color, that might be cute. So let's get this down. I don't think Colorcast Designs got there. She has super thin veneer, and I love her wood veneer. But like this one is self-adhesive, and for a while there with COVID, she couldn't get that. So I don't know if she's returned to being able to do those or not. But then I'm gonna journal just a tiny bit right there, and we're good to go. So we'll add these stars. These are so tiny, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for sticking with me, even though this one is super late, and there will be more coming, so I will probably spam you kind of with a bunch of them here shortly, but I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.